I just wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a pool full of.
Yo, what's up? It's Chase. As you just saw in the short video I made, there are a lot of different effects. This video will show you how to make media files pan, zoom, and rotate. In this first clip here, I made the Eagle Crest Raptors do exactly these three things. But how did I do these things? Well, you've probably noticed the Effect Controls tab by now, and how you can manipulate the position, scale, rotation, and other things. But notice how once these settings are set, they stay that way. How did I make these raptors move? Easy, I used keyframes. What in God's name are keyframes? I'm glad you asked. Keyframes are basically indication markers that save the settings you input at a given point. Having multiple keyframes allows for smooth transitions between two different sets of settings. Don't understand? Let me show you. In order to do this in Premiere Pro, you're going to want to look at the Effect Controls tab. You'll notice that to the left of the effects, there's a stopwatch icon. Clicking the stopwatch will turn it blue, indicating that you have enabled keyframes. Some settings, like opacity, have this turned on by default. If you take a look to the right of the Effect Controls tab, you'll see the Keyframe Timeline. Each respective effect has its own section on the timeline. Changing an effect's settings will create a new keyframe, as will pressing the Add or Remove Keyframe button. The closer a keyframe is to another keyframe impacts the speed of the transition of effect settings. Having them farther away makes the transition take longer, while closer ones make the transition much quicker. And there you have it. Keyframes can help you do much more than just motion effects. As you explore the countless other effects on Premiere Pro, you'll find that you can also use keyframes in those as well, just like the blur at the beginning of the Raptor video. Try experimenting with keyframes, and you'll be surprised with what you're able to do. I might make some more videos on other topics, so keep an eye out for those as well. See ya!